I was out for a drive the other day and noticed a free nightstand on the side of the road. Let's start with removing the drawers and the stickers on the front and side of the nightstand. Getting these stickers off is a bit of a chore, but it is necessary to get the perfect finish. It's seen better days, but with a bit of creativity, it's going to be perfect for our dogs. Now I had to remove the top of the piece because I have a surprise for it later. Millie was not so patiently waiting for this DIY to be done, so I took a quick break and loaded up Guru Pet's Bonanza Rocket Fun. This toy has a rocket shape that enables the toy to soar through the air. Crinkly, durable nylon fabric tail goes in and out of the rocket, making the perfect toy for fetching and retrieving both on land and water. Now that should keep him busy for a while. I can get back to the next step. First, I want to sand down the furniture with 80 grit sandpaper to rough up the top and the sides. I also need to make some minor repairs to all of the tools I used. This is actually easy to do. Just mix up the 2-part wood filler and spread it on with a small scraper. After it dries, I can then give it another sanding to make the filler as smooth as possible. It is always best to give as much attention to the preparation so that the project turns out great. The next step is to get a good coat of primer on all of the surfaces. Once the primer dries, it is time to get creative. I chose a good quality cabinet paint so that this piece will last a long time. As I was painting, I got interrupted by one of my little dogs. She gets so curious and I didn't want her to bump up next to the project, so as I got the last bit of paint on and waited for it to dry, I thought it would be a great time to introduce my pups to their new toys. Guru is driven to set the bar in dog toys by developing products that challenge dogs' minds, engage their natural instincts, and inspire their spirit. Each toy Guru develops is designed to be a solution to behavioral issues and natural instincts that dogs can express. I loaded up the treat trio that will dispense kibble as she plays. Now that the paint is dry and I wore down my pups, it was time to work on the final touches. Once the holes are cut for the dog bowls, we sand the edges to make them smooth. I also added some hinges to the top lids so that I can have easy access to my dog's food. I then placed the dog bowls into the cutout. Look how perfectly they fit. This keeps the bowls in place and makes feeding time cleaner and easier. Now that everything is complete, I put the dog food station in place, added the food to the top, and put my dog's favorite Guru dog toys into their secret drawer. I really love how simplistic this station is. It is like an all-in-one dog retreat where the food, water, and toys can be stored and used. Now let's fill these bowls with food and see what our pups think. It looks like the new feeding station is a hit. Not only does it look great, but it's also super practical. And when they're not eating, our dogs love to play with their Guru dog toys. These toys keep them entertained and active. Just look at them go. Between the bouncer and the squeak ball, these pups couldn't be happier. Guru dog toys are designed to be durable and engaging, perfect for our playful pups. They're always a favorite in our household. Get your hands on your own by visiting PetSmart to try Guru's newest 8 new products. Thanks for joining us on this upcycling adventure. We hope you feel inspired to give new life to old furniture and create something special for your pets. And of course, special thanks to Guru Pet Company for sponsoring this video.